Friends, family, lend me your ears, lend me your eyes. I did it. A 2012 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, 3500, dualies in the back. It's a limousine, but we're gonna make it into a mobile home, and I need your help. I need some guidance. I need some point, and give me some ideas of what to do with it. I'm gonna give you a tour now, and from there, hopefully you'll be able to give me your insight and give me some feedback and suggestions as well. I really need it. So here we go. First and foremost, check out those doors. They're different, and I like that. It has an air conditioning unit on top. I don't know if it works or not. Dualies in the back, which is pretty cool for the weight. So let's go inside. The doors are automatic. Got carpeted floors, and this is just a vinyl wrap. The flooring underneath there's plywood. We have plenty of seats, so I'm wondering if I should sell this as a kit or sell it individually. Let's take a look in the front. 99,000 miles. Got a TV in the front. Got a microphone. We're gonna do some karaoke here. Got the windows galore. They have emergency windows, which is pretty cool. Crack it open for some airflow. These are lights, so I don't know exactly how they work or how they operate. I'll have to find the remote. I am 6 foot, and honestly, it's not bad at all. And I'm planning to take this out and re-laminate it. These I want to get rid of and make it more of a angle. I have no idea what that is back there, but you can see my reflection. And you got the emergency exit up top, which is cool, I think. Especially if we make a deck up top, we can use that to climb up aboard. And you got the air conditioning unit up top, which is controlled by the front. Here's from the back to the front. And this window is removable as well. So we have 2 windows that are removable, emergency exits. 1 emergency exit up top. Let's go back to it, give you another look. So that is it. I would love some feedback, some guidance this big. I've never tackled a project this big, so I would love some insight, some guidance. I'll keep you posted along the way. I'm still looking for the blueprint that I'll use to build this out. My handyman and myself, along with our electrician, we got a pretty good feeling about this. Hopefully it'll take about a 3-month build, maybe more. Comment below, subscribe, and I'll take everyone's suggestion and recommendation, and this is going to be pretty exciting.